Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HOTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one, a lot of people talking about it and traded it. But, not to beat around the bush, but this thing was just what we would call a gap and trap that has essentially turned into a pump and dump. What do I mean by gap and trap? Well, on Friday, the price closed down here, and then this morning opened up right there, hence the gap, and it gapped up higher, so a gap up. And then after the market opened up, the price actually showed some signs of strength, went up here, some poor souls were buying up around there, and then from there, all selling the remainder of the day. And essentially, the gap and trap turned into a pump and dump because, you stop and think about where all this started. And essentially, it started when it broke up above this area of resistance here. And I say essentially because, to be fair, I suppose this isn't totally a gap and trap. But this is why $3.40 is a must-hold area. Because if the price were to come down to $3.40 and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price literally right back to where it was. So in other words, that would imply that the price made a great move up, and then all of a sudden came all the way back down there, which is the epitome of a pump and dump. So, like I said, to be fair, not quite there, but the price is definitely walking on some thin ice. Because maybe the price is something like this. And as I stumble over my words, I'd be shocked if this were to happen. But like I said, to be fair, maybe the price does stabilize out, which would give you a set of lows there, and then right there. So as far as those levels of support, then you would still actually have some stair-steps showing progress in the upwards direction. But as of right now, a whole lot of downward selling pressure, and no better way to illustrate this downward selling pressure than that resistance trend line right there. So you can see this, this trend line was quite literally just pushing the price down the entire day. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But yeah, $3.40, a must-hold level. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.